How to factory reset Night Owl DVR. So there are different ways for you to factory reset Night Owl DVR depending on the model type. Now for the specific model type, what you can do is to go to the DVR or NVR main menu. You may need to log in after this tab, click on the advanced tab, maintain tab will appear by default. Now on the screen, locate the low default option and click on it, select all to factory reset all your DVR or NVR settings and click on save. Your system may restart after this step. If you're aiming to factory reset Night Owl HD series DVR, which is applicable for the specific models, right-click anywhere on your home screen and the drop-down menu will appear. Click on the main menu and then go to maintenance option. Click the default sub-tab. On the screen, click on factory defaults, restore all parameters to default settings. Your system will restart after this step. And lastly, for the Night Owl XHD series DVR for the specific models, right-click anywhere on the screen and the quick launch bar will appear on the bottom of the screen. Click on the main menu, click on advanced tab. Maintain tab will appear by default on this screen. Locate the low default option and click on it, and then select all to factory reset all your DVR settings and click on OK. Your system will restart after this step. And that is how to factory reset the Night Owl DVR.